Hi guys, I'm Tash. I'm the National Educator for Biosense. So I'm just here to tell you about our brand new gold shampoo. So we just launched it a couple of weeks ago. We had an amazing launch. You must please go follow our page and see. So the inspiration of our gold, I'm saying gold, I know it sounds cold, but I'm saying gold shampoo is obviously, as you can see on the box, it's gold and black. So the gold is there obviously for the inspiration of Jersey, City of Gold, and then obviously the nice beautiful skyline of Jersey. Look at that. Guys, this is our brand new cream of the crop golden shampoo for any hair type. Anybody can use this, colored hair, blondes, dark, doesn't matter. And the best part of all is that it is absolutely sulfate free, so even for your Brazilian babies. So guys, with this, not only does this cleanse the scalp, but it moisturizes the hair, absolutely pumps the hair with hydration. It's incredible. So, and it's also infused with argan oil and keratin. So your keratin, the properties that's in there, will just give you some strengthening in the hair. But best part of all of this golden shampoo, look at this. Guys, it's actually gold. Look at this. My absolute favorite. It's luxurious, it's creamy, and it's gold.